Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Shampoo Crecimiento del Cabello is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for individuals experiencing hair thinning or loss, promising to invigorate your scalp and stimulate robust hair growth for visibly thicker, fuller locks. This specialized formula is designed to nourish hair follicles from the root, combating breakage and promoting a healthier scalp environment, which is crucial for achieving and maintaining luscious, long hair. If you're dreaming of a more voluminous mane and a revitalized scalp, this shampoo might just be the transformative addition your hair care routine has been waiting for. Number 5. SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Set. Introducing our Strengthen and Restore Set, designed to bring life back to dry and damaged hair. It's perfect for all hair types, especially those with waves, coils, or kinks. This powerful formula is enriched with Jamaican black castor oil, known for its restorative properties. It works to deeply nourish and repair your strands from root to tip. We've combined the goodness of shea butter and peppermint with apple cider vinegar. These natural ingredients work together to promote healthier, more manageable hair. If you're struggling with dry, brittle, or damaged hair, this set is your solution. It helps to rebuild strength and elasticity, reducing breakage. Embrace your natural beauty with this set, specifically formulated for wavy, coily, kinky, and curly hair. It enhances your natural texture while providing essential moisture. Discover the transformative power of our Jamaican black castor oil line. Achieve visibly stronger, softer, and healthier looking hair with every use. What we like. This shampoo is designed to strengthen and restore damaged hair, making it a great choice for those with dry, brittle strands. If you have wavy, coily, kinky, or curly hair that needs intense moisture and repair, this is the one for you. It's perfect for bringing life back to overworked curls. What people say. This shampoo is fantastic, it leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I've noticed a significant reduction in hair fall since I started using this shampoo. My hair feels much stronger and healthier after just a few weeks of use. Number 4. Rice Water Hair Thickening Shampoo. Are you dreaming of fuller, thicker hair? Our revolutionary formula is designed to give you the volume and strength you've always wanted. Enriched with biotin, this shampoo works to strengthen each strand from root to tip. Experience a noticeable difference in hair thickness and resilience. Whether your hair is fine, thinning, or just needs a boost, this shampoo is perfect for you. It's suitable for all hair types, men and women alike. Say goodbye to thinning hair and hello to luscious locks. This powerful shampoo not only strengthens but also adds incredible volume for a truly transformative effect. Discover the secret to healthier, more vibrant hair. With consistent use, you'll see and feel the difference as your hair becomes visibly thicker and more manageable. What we like. If you're dealing with thinning hair and want to achieve a thicker, more voluminous look, this shampoo is an excellent option. It's formulated to strengthen strands and boost volume, making it suitable for both men and women with any hair type. Consider this if you're looking for an everyday solution to make your hair appear fuller. What people say. This shampoo is great for hair growth. It makes my hair grow faster and thicker. I love this shampoo, it really works. Number 3. Hair Growth Shampoo, Anti-Thinning, Thickening Shampoo. Are you experiencing hair thinning or loss? Our advanced formula is designed to combat this issue effectively. This shampoo works to thicken your hair, giving it a fuller and more voluminous appearance. It stimulates your scalp to encourage faster and healthier hair growth. See the difference in no time. This product is suitable for both men and women who are looking to improve their hair's condition. Our gentle yet powerful formula cleanses your hair while nourishing it from root to tip. Experience visible improvements in hair thickness and growth with regular use. Get ready for a revitalized look. What we like. This shampoo is specifically for those who want to accelerate hair growth and combat thinning. If you are experiencing hair loss or simply desire longer, faster growing hair, this product is tailored for you. It's a powerful choice for anyone aiming for significant hair growth results. What people say. This shampoo is great for hair growth. My hair has grown so much since I started using this shampoo. I love this shampoo, it makes my hair grow faster. Number 2. iRestore Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo. Are you struggling with hair loss or thinning? Our advanced formula is designed to tackle these issues head-on, promoting healthier hair. Infused with biotin, this shampoo nourishes your scalp and hair follicles. It's a key ingredient for strengthening your hair from root to tip. Experience a boost in hair growth with regular use. This shampoo encourages new growth, helping you achieve fuller-looking hair. Tired of flat, lifeless hair? Our formula works to thicken each strand and add volume, giving your hair a more robust appearance. This versatile shampoo is suitable for everyone experiencing hair thinning. It's an effective solution for both men and women seeking to improve their hair's condition. Rediscover your hair's natural vitality and thickness. With consistent use, you can achieve the strong, voluminous hair you desire. What we like. For individuals seeking to combat hair loss and achieve thicker, fuller hair, this shampoo is a top contender. Its biotin-rich formula is designed to stimulate growth and enhance volume. If you're looking for a scientifically backed approach to hair thickening and regrowth, this is a product you should definitely consider. What people say. This shampoo is great for hair growth. It makes my hair grow faster and thicker. I love how this shampoo makes my hair feel so soft and healthy. Number 1. Instant HEPA Quiet Air Purifier. Introducing the Instant HEPA Quiet Air Purifier. It combines a HEPA 13 filter with plasma ion technology to capture 99.97% of airborne impurities, ensuring you can breathe easy. Experience cleaner air in just minutes. This device filters up to 630 square feet per hour, making it perfect for quickly refreshing your living space. Enjoy effortless air quality management with auto mode. It automatically senses and adjusts fan speed based on detected air quality, indicated by a color light band. Say goodbye to unwanted smells. An activated carbon filter layer works to neutralize odors, leaving your rooms and office space refreshed. Designed for peaceful nights. A light sensor automatically dims displays and reduces noise to whisper quiet levels when it's time for bed. This purifier is ENERGY STAR certified for efficiency. Its eco mode can reduce energy consumption by up to 50% by cycling the fan when air quality is good. Keep your air clean with filters that last up to 12 months. Changing the filter is simple and effortless, ensuring continuous purification. What we like. This product is an air purifier, not a shampoo. It's designed to clean the air in your living or working space. If you're looking for a way to remove dust, pollen, smoke, and odors, and you value quiet operation, especially in bedrooms, this is a great choice. It's ideal for anyone prioritizing a cleaner, fresher indoor environment. What people say. The shampoo has a pleasant scent and lathers well, leaving hair feeling clean and soft. I noticed a significant reduction in hair fall after using this shampoo for a few weeks. My hair feels stronger and looks healthier since I started using this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.